guys, how you doing? My name's Tyler with Aloha Pool Leak Detection. Today's video is going to be going over a test. We can do a very simple test that's going to tell you if you do or do not have a leak. Alright, so this test is great for you guys who may not have an obvious one where you're losing a couple inches a day or even a couple inches every few hours, but more for those of you that are losing, say, a couple inches over a week span when you shouldn't be. It's not a huge deal. You may not be having to add too much water to the pool. However, this can dilute your chemicals, give you a hard time keeping your pool nice and clean, and eventually add up onto your water. What you're gonna need is a 5-gallon bucket, as well as some tape, duct tape, painter's tape, a sticker, even a Sharpie marker. And we're gonna take our first piece of tape and make our first line, one of 2 lines on the inside of the bucket, about an inch, inch and a half down from the brim of the bucket. Alright, now we got our inside reference line. This is going to be our evaporation control. This is going to tell us exactly how much water we should be losing day to day. Alright, again, it's a real simple test. We're just going to be making 2 reference lines. You can see we already have our evaporation control reference line right here on the inside of the bucket. No holes in the bucket. Whatever that drops from that line, that's what we should be seeing on a daily basis. We're now going to stick our second sticker on the outside of the bucket where the water level of the pool touches that bucket. So something like that. So now we have our reference line on the outside of the bucket. We also have our reference mark on the inside of the bucket. We're going to shut the pool off. Reason being is that if we're circulating the pool and not the inside of the bucket, we're going to expect to lose more water on the outside of the bucket, being that circulation is one of those factors in evaporation. So shut the pool off, wait 24 hours, then come back. You want to check how much we've lost on the inside, and you want to compare that to what we've lost on the outside. If we lose a ½ inch on the inside, which is a pretty significant amount of evaporation, say we'll lose a ¼ inch on the inside, and you look out here, we should also see a ¼ inch drop. If we see a ¼ inch inside and a ½ inch outside, we know we have a leak. Again, this is a great test for you guys who aren't necessarily having to fill the pool once every 2 days, once every day, something like that. With a significant leak, you're gonna know. This is for you guys who maybe you're filling the pool once a week and you're unsure if you have a leak or not. Down in South Florida, it is normal to see minor amounts of water loss each day due to evaporation. These factors are gonna be different for every pool, depending on wind speed, the exposure of your pool, the temperature of your water, the temperature of the air, the time of year, all that stuff factors into it. So sometimes it's tricky to tell. This is a great test to confirm whether you do or don't need someone like